everyone, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and I'm so glad you're joining us for another week of Mexico in May. Come along with us. This week we'll be learning how to salsa dance. Now salsa is a favorite pastime in Mexico, and it's counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you try that with me? A 5, 6, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good! Should we try counting that in Spanish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, everyone! So first we're going to learn the basic cucaracha step. So the cucaracha means cockroach. So we're going to take our foot out to the side like we're stepping on the cockroach. 1, 2, 3, and back together. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good! Now can you try the other foot? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So together it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! Now with our arms, we're going to put our elbows out to the side to create kind of a wavy feeling in our upper body. Will you try it with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! Now let's try to add some arms with that. So when we step out to the side, we'll take our arm out to the side, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you try that with me slowly? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job! So we feel a lot of movement in our hips and our arms. All right, let's try it all together with our arms and our feet at the same time. And we might speed it up as we go along. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job, everyone! Thanks so much for tuning in this week. We'll see you again next week for more Mexico in May. Adios!